औरत माँ है, औरत बहन है, और लक्ष्मी है और सरस्वती है, तो काली भी है, तो हत्या का रूप सामने आ ही सकता है।
In recent years, several high-profile cases across India have raised difficult questions about crime within marriage. Z5's new true crime docu-series Honeymoon Se Hatya looks at real cases where women were at the center of murders that unfolded after marriage.
मेघालय से आई बड़ी खबर। इंदौर का एक नवविवाहित जोड़ा राजा और सोनम रघुवंशी रहस्यमयी तरीके से लापता हो गया है।
सोनम तेरे को राजा से शादी नहीं करना था तो मना के देती, वो तेरे को राजा को मानने से क्या मिला।
The show examines some of India's most talked about crime cases, including the Meghalaya Sonam Raja Raghuvanshi case, Meerut's Blue Drum case, the Bhiwani influencer case, the Nalasopara tile case, and the Delhi electric shock case, all of which involved women as key accused. These are 5 of many such cases, with incidents like the Telangana insurance murder, the Vishakhapatnam case later revealed as homicide, reinforcing a wider pattern. Through reconstructions, interviews, and archival material, the series presents detailed accounts of each case, focusing on how the events unfolded.
In a span of 10 years, 11 years, अगर वो हस्बैंड वाइफ रिलेशनशिप जैसे होना चाहिए, वो नहीं है, वो इंटीमेसी नहीं है, वो वार्मथ नहीं है, कैमरेडेर नहीं है, तो आई थिंक वो कहीं तो उसको एक आक्रोशित कर रहा है.
The docu-series also traces the police work behind each case, showing how clues, statements, and forensic evidence came together.
The most shocking thing, if you ask me, is how can one think of murdering somebody and go ahead and marry that person? That's the most shocking thing. I mean, you have a lot of cases. I have so many murder cases, but this is unique in the sense that, one is going to marry somebody and also think right from that point of time that after I marry, I'm going to murder the person.
The show offers a broader view of marital crime, spotlighting men as victims without reducing the complexities faced by women.
पुलिस अगर कहीं पूछेगी भी तो लाश कहीं से बरामद नहीं होगी। अपने ही एविडेंस को उसने अपने घर में दफन कर दिया।